little artists. Today we're going to draw the cutest little dumpling ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Oh no, our little dumpling is feeling shy because it doesn't have a happy face yet. Let's draw its cute eyes and a sweet little smile. Wow, so adorable. Yay! Our little dumpling is smiling and ready to say thank you, little artist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Bye bye! See you in the next drawing!